In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find emails inside Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've ever wondered where your synced emails actually live inside Pipedrive and how to quickly zero in on what you need, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along confidently. I'll assume your email is already connected to Pipedrive, and we're just going to locate and filter those messages efficiently. First, look to the left side of your Pipedrive dashboard. You'll see the main navigation bar running vertically. Find and click Sales Inbox. This is the dedicated space where Pipedrive brings your synced email into a single, organized view. Once you click it, the main area will switch to your inbox, showing you the messages that are currently synced to your account. Now that you're in the sales inbox, take a moment to get familiar with what you're seeing. This inbox isn't a separate mailbox, it's a reflection of your connected email inside Pipedrive, which means it keeps your sales work in one place. You'll typically see details like who the message is from, the subject line, time received, and any indicators for unread or important messages. Think of it as a streamlined view designed for sales workflows, where you can quickly understand what needs attention without jumping between different tools. To quickly find the messages you care about most, look toward the top right of the inbox for filtering options. Filters are your best friend here. With a couple of clicks, you can narrow your view to see only unread messages, emails from certain categories, or messages that match a specific status. For example, if you want to focus on new leads, you might filter for unread messages. If you're reviewing past conversations, you can filter by time range or other criteria available in your account. Use these filters to cut through inbox noise and surface exactly what matters right now. As you work with filters, remember that they don't change your emails. They simply refine what's displayed. If a filter hides something you expect to see, clear it and you'll be back to the full list. This is a simple way to stay organized without moving or changing any messages. That's all there is to it. Click Sales Inbox on the left, view your synced emails in one place, and use the filters at the top right to sort and find what you need. With this quick routine, you'll navigate your Pipedrive emails confidently and save time on every pass through your inbox.